Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. The US dollar Japanese yen here on the radar, and I would say that the market is preparing for a break higher before or at probably the FOMC minutes that we're going to have to be released in something like 3 hours from now. All this move to the downside from those highs is coming on the 1 hour chart after this triangle here has been broken to the downside this time. And it implies that the triangle ends here, so this to be A, B, C, D, E. The triangle ends here into 102 point, let's take a look, 102.15 would be the triangle that breaks higher, that breaks lower. From my point of view, that move that follow to the downside might only be an E wave, so this to be a D wave of a triangle of a bigger degree. This move to the downside here to be an E wave of a triangle of the same degree. And then the whole triangular formation to be done at these lows, 101.44 that we have the other days. As you can see, I'm looking now as a target, if you want, to the upside. If you were trading regular spot market, I'm looking now for the market to go and break above 102 in case we'll have some hawkish or bullish FOMC minutes. I would say that there is a very plausible thing. In case that the minutes are not going to be hawkish or bullish for the dollar, then probably we'll see a dip lower before the 102 to be taken. Keep in mind it is summer trading. Markets are moving basically only in something like 20 or 30 pips. So would be interesting to see the outcome. As a continuation of this trend to the upside, here as you can see, market forms a so-called, I would say, running variation of a contracting triangle of a lower degree, something like this, and from here to here, and this is as bullish as it can be if breaks higher. So all eyes now should head and should be on a break here. If this break here comes, and it's not that far, I'm talking about 101.8.80 level, if this break here comes, then projects a move something like 161.8 out of this one, so I'm talking about 102 to come for sure on a break of that trend line. Therefore, I would like to buy call options when 101.80 comes. So looking to buy call options when 101.80 comes with end of week expiration date. Why end of week expiration date? We want to avoid volatility surrounding the event. It is Wednesday already, so the end of week actually means only 2 trading days, Thursday and Friday, as end of week normally is the closing on the US equity markets on Friday. This is our analysis. I would say that the E wave here, I would say that the E wave to the downside is completed. The move, if you want, it is channeling too well as well in order for it to be an impulsive move from top to bottom. I would say it is nothing but a nothing but a zigzag for the E wave. Now normally the move to follow now should go and take the highs in less than this time. Now this is a 1 hour chart, and here as you can see we have something like 40 candles, so 40 hours. Well, in 40 hours normally market should go and reach this level if the move is for real. Thank you very much for being here. This is FairBinaryOptions.com. We just bought call options on the US dollar and the Japanese yen. Bye bye.